to the channel. Today we got some new treads for this thing. I'm hoping I didn't make a mistake by going to a smaller size, but she does all right with the 37s on it, but I think going down to a 35 will probably help both fuel mileage, maybe a little on the trail too. Gear it down a little bit. We'll get to pulling these wore out ones off the Willys that were meant to be mock-up tires. We ended up running them for like 2 years, so we'll get to changing these. We'll get these new Mild Star Patagonias thrown on. No sponsorship. I've been running them on my truck and liked them, so we'll throw a set on the Willys and see how it goes. Getting them sanded up, ready for the last coat. Sand this one down. Kinda almost making me wish I would have went with the blue, but maybe we'll go white on top of it, sand it down, and we'll have all the color sticking through it. It'll look good. There. What's going on, dude? It's hot out here. Now I just gotta let them dry up enough that we can put the tires on them.
The next day.